How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video where we will be looking at Home Business Academy. It's been a while since I brought you guys this, but I want to show you some of the stuff that I just made in their funnel builder. And I want you guys to understand that this is a good side hustle. This is a good primary business, but if you're someone that also is in business, this is a great tool for you. And this is coming from a guy who also uses softwares like High Level, and I've used many different builders. So what's so cool about this, for one, is for someone who knows nothing about building pages, we actually have a template section. I mean, every type of page that you can imagine, but we actually have a guy that builds out different templates. So if you need pro pages to brand your business, to brand you, to brand your product, we have those. Like, we have already coded websites that you just go in and put your videos in, your YouTube video, etc., and you can have a crazy branded website alone. And what's so crazy about this software is the fact that it's only $25 a month. But this alone is worth $25 just having these templates. I mean, link trees, and we also have checkouts and everything, just like your other softwares you use to collect digital products and your payments and stuff. We have all that included, so you can customize your own link tree with your own resources. We have calendars. We have our own little online store section, and you can build out everything you see here. If I was collecting products in this actual funnel builder, you can see your sales, your orders, your subscriptions, upsells, downsells. But I want you to look at these beautiful pages. This one is coming off of a template with a little bit of my code. I coded this in here, but this is pretty much a template already done for you. Now the next page is built off of this template, but it's kind of like my own, you know, own design of a website. So you see right here, we have the videos coded in, we have buttons, and they move down to certain parts of the pages. I coded this calculator in using AI. So this is an income goal tracker. So you can come here and see how much your expenses are and how much you would need to make. This company also pays 80% commissions out, guys. So for the $25 funnel builder, you get paid 20. And this leads me into their other products. So let's get into the back office so I can show you some of their other products. All right, guys. So there's the funnel builder. There's a HBA Let's Go app. There's the premium traffic and conversions, and there's the financial service, guys. So I'm going to show you a quick look into the traffic and conversions. You have anything that leads you into getting into traffic. You have the free strategies. You have the paid traffic, sales conversions. You have this little AI software back here. You have some bonus training. And then what's amazing is every, day at 10 a.m., Monday through Friday, they do new calls, meaning new education. So whatever someone's doing that's getting them leads, they're going to come onto the call and show you some things, guys. So this is a interactive software and coaching that's been going on for 7 years. So this is the cool thing about this. And then you have the financial product. Um, and I don't have this product. You see right here to say, looks like you don't have access to this. But what's amazing is if you make a sale on a product you don't have, they give you a chance to actually go and get the product, and you can get your sale. They don't just make you lose the commission. They'll like actually let you upgrade and then collect your commission, and it's paid weekly. And then right here, which I tell everyone, start here. They have a affiliate quick start and a set of stuff on to do right away to get started. So pretty much the format I'm going to be giving you guys, um, because when it came to HBA, I've been at HBA for a long time, but it was always that setup process, going from collecting emails, professional email, DMARC, setting up all that stuff. So what I'm going to do for you guys is get you going quickly. So literally if you get the funnel builder, hopefully you get the funnel builder, you'll be able to make your own link tree or own customized page, and at least, potentially get a domain name. and we'll just get you going using this page. You can put a form on the page. So I'll actually show you guys. You can put a form. Let me see which tab I'm in. You can actually put a form on the page. Let's actually find the form. We'll just put it down here. So you can put a form on the page if you want. And you can have a landing page, the traditional landing page, and we'll show you how to, edit this and collect the email. It'll go to your back office, but you just won't have the follow-up series. But this is a way for you to still collect emails, have them, and then you can load them into your autoresponder and not have to set this up and get so frustrated about this and just get off to making money, in the first 30 days or 90 days. And then once you get comfortable, go back and do all that setup, which we have step-by-step training. So I'm gonna end this video here just so it's not super long. Just know there's gonna be more videos coming with different things around this company, and this is what funnels into all my other businesses or any system that I'm using. This is what drives it, always knowing how to market and everything else that I showed you guys. If you want more information on the Home Business Academy, all you have to do is like this video and look in the description.